Hey, today let's see how to set up ffmpeg in the Windows operating system. Just type ffmpeg for Windows in your browser and just click on the first link that comes up. Hopefully, this will have the necessary stuff. Get packages and okay, I'll just click on this. I'll just click on the first one, Windows builds from gyan.dev. Just scroll down and try to get it. I'm just gonna click on full build. And depending on internet speed, it may take some time to get downloaded. Let's just wait for a while. Until then, what we can do is we can just have this particular stuff ready. Like go to your system and type edit the system environment variables and go to environment variables and click on the path and just have this in the edit mode. Just have this ready. Till then, it will get downloaded. And just open the containing folder maybe, and we'll just extract. Right click, more extract to ffmpeg. Just an extract it as it is. And once it is extracted, what you can do is you can just cut it out and go to C drive. And in the C drive, I'm having a folder called Leo. You can have it any name that you want. And it is in this particular folder I usually install all the stuff. I'm just gonna paste it over here, and I'm gonna rename my folder because I don't need the version and stuff. I just need the bin path. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna give Control L, Control X to cut it out, and in this path just click on New, paste it, click OK, click OK again, click OK again. To verify if it has been installed successfully or not, what you can do is what you can do is I'm just gonna open command prompt, type ffmpeg -- version, and if this generates an output, then yes, it has been installed successfully. I gave something wrong. I'll just give -v caps. Anyways, it is generating an output, so it has been installed successfully. And this is how we install ffmpeg. Thanks for watching.